Hey guys, Nate here with Nate's Interactive Auto. Well, today I got a special treat for you guys, but first, always practice safety. I have a fire extinguisher ready. I have safety glasses on. I also have gloves on, so always wear some protection. And do not try this at home. If you do, perform this test at your own risk. Now we're going to see just how explosive these products really are. We're going to see how great they really perform, how they burn, and what do they leave over when they're done. So yeah, they leave a little soot when they're done. What do they do? So if you remember seafoam, it always is smoking, etc., etc. So obviously there's ingredients in there that allow it to smoke. So let's just see what the after effects are. As you can see right here on the left, we have STP gas treatment. We have STP fuel system cleaner, STP high mileage fuel injector cleaner, STP fuel injector cleaner, seafoam spray, CRC intake valve and turbo cleaner. We have high mileage gumout fuel injection cleaner. We have supertech fuel injector cleaner. So let's go ahead and get this test underway. We're going to light each one of these up and see just how well it burns. As you can see, all these chemicals basically look clear except for the high mileage fuel treatments. They all look clear. And the fuel system cleaner from STP, the complete fuel system cleaner. As you can see, we got our flame going. Maybe that's a little too much. We just need enough to light this up. Let's try this again. Well, the STP fuel system cleaner is trying to burn. As you can see, guys, some of these lit up instantly. And I do not like how this is going, so let's move some of these chemicals back. Move some of the chemicals back. As you can see which chemical was where. I apologize, it was really hard to light them all at the same time, as you guys could see. Wow, these burning a little bit longer than what I thought. I'd used a syringe to measure the amount in these. Oh shit. Guys, don't try this at home. Hey guys, as you can see what just happened, but I want to show you something even more interesting. I was in a very big hurry, still am really, but I wanted to make sure there was no fire going on. And if you'll look over here, I have this fuel tank, which is empty though, but as you can see, all of those bottles of butane. So if you'll look around, I got like 6 bottles of butane, brake fluid, all these things that definitely burn, like literally like right on top of it. But even more interesting, watch this. Make sure you watch. You can tell I've not messed with this. Look at this, right? So lift this up. Now this is what you shouldn't do. Don't make the same mistake as me. Be careful. Try not to be in a hurry and make mistakes that can really cost you. As you can see where the rubber melted down, the strings coming down here, that's melted plastic. But this is full of propane bottles. So a little propane tank. See this Mountain Dew thing? This Mountain Dew box here, full of propane tanks. And here I am doing fuel test right over top of it. Yeah, I have fire extinguisher and all these things, but still. Always try to be safe. And if you'll look a little bit further up, you see this 100-pound propane tank. So, yeah. Always try to be a little bit more safe than this. Originally the test was going to be outside, but then it's windy, etc., etc. Well, let's move on to the next bit. Like I said, thank you guys for watching Nate's Interactive Auto. You guys get ready to get wrenching for the next upcoming video.